there, crafty friends. Thanks for joining me today. I have the cutest card that I made earlier today, and I just wanted to share it with you guys and how I made it. It's pretty simple. It's just using some ink stamps and paper. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to flip down here. Let me move these out of the way. So what I'm going to be using is we're going to do some different colors. This card I made for a Valentine's Day card, and so cute. So I just thought that I could share it with you guys on here, and we would just bring in some different colors so that I can show you that you can make it any kind of occasion card that you would like to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a full sheet of cardstock. I'm using Gorgeous Grape. I'm going to put it at 4 1/4, and I'm going to go ahead and score it at 4 1/4 lengthwise. And then I'm going to turn it and cut it at 5 1/2 with the long side at the top. And what that does is that gives me 2 card bases. And I just score once and cut once, and I have 2. So we're going to go ahead and cut that. So now I have 2 card bases. I know that on my screen it looks blue, but it's actually Gorgeous Grape. We're going to go ahead and fold that in half. Bring my bone folder in here and give that a nice crease, just like so. And I am ready to mat that up. I am also going to bring in our white, and I have a basic black mat. The white is cut at 2 7/8 by 4 7/8, and our mat is just 1/8 of an inch bigger, so it's 5 by 3. So let's see, I don't need that one. Let me get this out of the way. So what I did was I brought in Hugs for Love. You can use any hearts that you have. And I chose this heart and then this grouping of hearts right here. And then I brought in the stem right here from Terrific Toadstools. Again, you can use any flower stems or stems that you have. And what I did was I just inked them up. So we're going to be using Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink, and Gorgeous Grape. So I think that what I'm going to do is put my Gorgeous Grape. I need my chamois so that I can wash this off every time I stamp, because we're going into different colors. I'm going to use my Gorgeous Grape first, and I'm just going to stamp it like probably right about here. And I'm just going to put it like so. There we go. I'm going to wipe this off. I'm done with my Gorgeous Grape for now, or at least I think I am. And then I'm going to take some Petunia Pop, and I'm going to just put it up a little tiny bit higher, like so. I'm going to wash this off. Did I grab Petunia Pop? Yes, I did. Okay, it just looked a little dark to me. And then our Pretty in Pink. Try to ink this up really well. And then we are going to just put that right like so. So there we go. There are our hearts. Close up this. And then I'm going to bring in some Granny Apple Green and my stem. And I'm just going to stamp my stem just like so. And I'm going to bring this one in just like that. And one more like so. Then what I'm going to use is the leaf that comes in the Terrific Toadstools. So this one right here, I'm just going to ink up the top 2 in the Granny Apple Green. Is all I'm going to do. So I'm going to carefully ink up just the 2 leaves. And if you get any on the other ones, you can just wipe them off. And then I'm just going to carefully stamp that right down there on there. And do it again. Wipe that off. And stamp. I got a little bit on there somewhere. It keeps leaving a little line, but that's okay. Always happens, right? And let's see, let's try to get that off of there a little better. And just like that. So I have these cute little flowers, but we're not done yet. We got to add the centers to the flowers. So how cute is it to come in with some black ink? So I'm using Memento, and hopefully it's going to show up. And I'm just going to stamp that right in the center of my flowers, of our little heart flowers. So there we go. So aren't those super cute? So easy to do. And now what we're going to do is mat this on our basic black mat right here. I'm going to take my liquid glue, and we're just going to put some glue on this, just like that. And I'm going to try to put this on here straight and even borders. And that looks pretty good to me. I got just a teeny bit of fray right here at the end, so I am going to just trim that off carefully. There we go. And then we're just going to pop this up. Oh, wait, I got some stamping to do. So we're just going to come back in with some Gorgeous Grape again. And we're going to bring in our little cluster of hearts. And what we're going to do is just ink this up. And we're just going to start in the bottom right-hand corner or left-hand corner and just go up a bit with it, just like so. And then I'm going to come over here and do the same thing over here. Just a little cluster of them. Then we're going to place this where we want it to go to see how we are with our hearts. And I think I want a little bit more heart over here, and maybe a little bit here, and maybe right here. There we go. And then we're going to place this back to see if we like that, and I am okay with that. So we're going to go with that. And now we are just going to put some dimensionals on the back of our black layer here. So I am coming to the end of my dimensionals, and that is okay because I can use the strips here. Waste not, want not, right? Okay, so we can just do just like that, and just like this, and right here. And let's see, let's go ahead and put a couple in the center, just like that. I need a little one right there, I think. So let's go ahead and tear that off and put that right there. And then we're going to pull off the backs to these. So this is a pretty simple card to make, but such a cute card. And like I said, I made mine to be more towards Valentine's, but we are going to make one that is more geared towards anything really, because we're going to use the sentiment, enjoy your day. So inside you could stamp happy birthday. You could stamp anything. Oh, I got that on there crooked. So let's get this a little straighter. There we go. Oh, it's still crooked. Let me see if I can do it a little better here. There we go. So isn't that such a cute card? And then we can add some embellishments on the front of it. So I have brought in the Adhesive Back Pearl Trios. They're so pretty. And I think that I'm going to use this one right here. And I think I'm going to try to kind of cover up some of these spots. And let's see, let's do another one right here. And then we can take one right about there. And there there we go. How pretty is that? And if you're really, really picky about your little marks, you can take a little sand eraser. I'm using a Mono sand eraser that I got from Amazon. That works really, really well, but I'm not going to fool with it too much right now. You just sand really lightly until it comes off. All right, and then we're going to do the inside of our card, which I need some cardstock for that, which I did not think about. Always forget something. Yay me. Here we go. Well, no, I don't want to use that. Well, we could just put this in there. That would be really cute, right? Just take that in there. We could also mat that. So let's see. This is 3 inches by, I'm going to cut this down to 5 1/8, or I'm sorry, 4 7/8. So it's 3 inches by 4 7/8. So I'm going to go ahead and hope you guys have been hearing me because I forgot to move my mic over. Good thing I turned it on though. All right, so I'm going to cut this at, what did I say that was? Okay, at 5 inches so that it gives me just a 1/16 of an inch of a border. And then I'm going to do 3 1/8, like so. And then, let's see if this works. And it does. So I'm going to move this out of the way. And then we're going to come in and stamp another flower. So let me clean this off. I think that what I'm going to do is, we could do different types of flowers too with hearts. But I think just to make this video simple, I am just going to stamp with Petunia Pop. I'm just going to stamp flower probably right about here. And then I'm going to come in with my Granny Apple Green again and my stem and my little leaves. And we're going to ink this up and we're going to stamp that right there. And then I'm going to ink up just the top 2 of my little leaves. And I did get some ink on there. Let's see if we can get that off. And stamp our leaves. There we go. How cute is that? And then we just take our little hearts, our cluster of hearts, and just stamp right in the center. Voila, there we go. And then you have this room over here to stamp your sentiment, which I am going to use the sentiment from Thoughtful Expressions, Enjoy Your Day. And I'm just going to stamp it in some Memento Black ink. Right here. Just like that. And then we're just going to fussy cut this out. Or not fussy cut it out, but just trim it out so that it can go right across the front of our card. Oops. Like so. Let's see, I think I'm going to give it just a little bit of a trim over here. And then I think I am going to just give it an angle cut, just like so. And let's go ahead and adhere this. Oh, you could stamp happy birthday, whatever you want in there. You write your little message. You could even do a full-size card insert too. So whatever you wanted to do to make it your own would be great. Let's see here. And then we're just going to layer that right on there like so. And then we're going to glue it flat in the inside of our card, which is going to be very pretty. And just kind of center it in here. Just like that. And then we're going to come in with our banner, which, you know what? I don't need to put that there. I should have put my sentiment on first, and I just didn't think about that. Okay. So we're going to keep that right there until we can see where our sentiment is going to go. I'm going to pop up our sentiment, so I'm going to use some mini dimensionals here. And we're just going to stick those on there. Like so. Take the backs off of these. Flip it over and place it. Oh, check that out. It's going to pretty much cover my little bloopity bloops. I just have one little bloopity bloop. And that may be where we're going to put our little embellishment. I think that's good. Right there. And then I'm just going to, you know what? That's not even hardly noticeable. Let's just stick this one maybe right here. There we go. So sweet, cute, and simple little card. Just doing some simple stamping with ink, stamps, and paper. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and it inspires you, and just craft along and send something special to someone to make their day. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye. Bye.